Hey there. Are you tired of dealing with that unpleasant shoe odor every time you slip off your shoes? Well, you're not alone, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to eliminate shoe odor once and for all and keep your shoes smelling fresh. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's show you how to eliminate shoe odor and keep everything smelling fresh. Get rid of it! Remove and clean insoles. First things first, you need to remove the insoles from your shoes if they have removable ones. Insoles can harbor a lot of moisture and bacteria, which contribute to the smell. Give them a good wash with warm water and mild soap. Let them air dry completely before putting them back in your shoes. Use baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and works wonders on shoe odor. Simply sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda inside each shoe. Make sure to cover the entire insole area. Leave the baking soda in overnight to absorb the odors. In the morning, just shake out the excess baking soda. Studies have shown that baking soda is highly effective in neutralizing odors because it absorbs moisture and bacteria that cause the smell. Essential oils for freshness. Next, let's add a pleasant scent. Put a few drops of essential oils like tea tree oil or lavender on a cotton ball. Tea tree oil is known for its antibacterial properties, which can help kill the bacteria causing the odor. Place the cotton balls inside your shoes and leave them overnight. According to a study published by the National Institutes of Health in 2013, tea tree oil has significant antimicrobial properties that can help combat the bacteria responsible for foot odor. Newspaper trick. If your shoes are still damp or sweaty, stuff them with crumpled newspaper. The newspaper will absorb the moisture and help your shoes dry faster, reducing the chances of odor. Leave the newspaper in overnight and replace it if it becomes too damp. Vinegar solution spray. Make a simple vinegar solution to kill bacteria. Mix equal parts of water and vinegar in a spray bottle. Lightly spray the inside of your shoes with this solution and let them air dry. Vinegar is known for its antibacterial properties and can help neutralize odors effectively. Research by the Journal of Applied Microbiology in 2001 found that vinegar is an effective antimicrobial agent that can help reduce bacterial growth in various environments, including your shoes. Use old socks or fabric pouches. Create your own DIY shoe fresheners using old socks or fabric pouches. Fill them with baking soda and a few drops of essential oils. Tie them up and place them inside your shoes when you're not wearing them. These will act as continuous deodorizers, keeping your shoes fresh. Wipe with antibacterial wipes. For an extra step of cleanliness, wipe the insides of your shoes with antibacterial wipes. This will help kill any remaining bacteria and give your shoes a quick refresh. Wear good clean socks. Socks are your odor-fighting BFFs. They absorb sweat, the moisture that bacteria love. Plus, they create a barrier between your feet and your shoes, trapping odor-causing culprits inside the sock, not your shoe. Optional, replace insoles. If your insoles are too far gone, consider replacing them with new ones. There are many types of insoles available that come with odor-fighting materials and can provide additional comfort. Don't forget your feet. While we're tackling the odor inside your shoes, let's not forget the source. Practicing good foot hygiene is key to keeping things fresh from the ground up. Here's what you can do. Wash your feet daily with soap and warm water, paying special attention to the areas between your toes. Dry your feet thoroughly after washing, especially between the toes. Moisture is a breeding ground for bacteria, so give your feet a good rub with a clean towel. Change your socks daily, especially if you sweat a lot or wear closed-toe shoes for extended periods. Opt for breathable materials like cotton or moisture-wicking fabrics. Give your shoes a breather. Just like your feet, your shoes need some airtime too. Here's why. Shoe rotation is your friend. Aim to have at least 2 pairs of shoes you alternate daily. This allows each pair to dry out completely, preventing moisture buildup and odor formation. Let your shoes air out after wearing them. Take them off and give them a chance to breathe for a few hours before storing them away. Treat your shoes right. Not all shoes are created equal, and some materials require special care. Before diving into our cleaning methods, take a quick peek at the care instructions on your shoes. Some might require spot cleaning or specific cleaning solutions to avoid damage. By following these simple tips alongside our shoe deodorizing hacks, you'll be well on your way to conquering foot odor for good. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your own tips or questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.